Want to run two different WhatsApp, Instagram, or Snapchat accounts on a single iPhone without constantly logging in and out? I'm going to show you the two ways to do this. One is a layout trick, but the second one is the real secret to managing dual accounts. First, the layout trick. If you just want the app icon on two different pages, say for a focus mode, go to your app library on the right, hold down the app and drag it to your home screen. Now you have two icons, but remember these open the exact same logged in account. Some applications allow you to log in to multiple accounts. For example, if you hold down the profile icon on Instagram, you're prompted to open different accounts if you have them linked. As you can see, it says add Instagram account. Another workaround is to go to the website version of the app. For example, let's open up a web browser and go to Instagram.com. You can tap the share button at the top and choose add to home screen. Rename it if you want and click add. Now you can open up the web version and the app version on your phone. No more switching between profiles. Ever wonder how to download Minecraft on your iPhone? Check this out now.